Hello everyone, I am Susan Zam from E-Dagwi World. Today I'll be talking about relationships. What is relationship? It simply means a connection or a link between two or more persons. In my terms, relationship means agreement. This is because it is very hard to stay connected without agreement. Therefore, a relationship is an agreement that keeps two or more persons connected. Having established this fact, I want to say that it is natural to expect that good relationship among couples would wax stronger in this season, and weak or chaotic, dramatic, challenging, annoying, and frustrating relationship, on the other hand, would take advantage of this season to strengthen theirs. This is also applicable to parents and their children. Establish cordial relationship, bearing in mind that the times are unpredictable. Do not imagine that things cannot be sorted out among yourselves. God bless you as you dare to do the needful. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, E-Dagwi World, and my Facebook page, E-Dagwi World. Follow and like my page. Once again, thank you for watching. God bless you and stay safe.